Welcome to beginning castanets. Ole, finally, right? So let's start from the very beginning. So you have your castanets and which one goes where? You want to look for the notch at the top, and that one's going to go on the right hand or your dominant hand. Okay, and then the cord or where the lace is going to go closer to you. So you have the loop and then the cord comes closer to you. And then you put it on your thumbs, and they're going to go on, the cord's going to go on either side of the knuckle, and then you have to tighten it, and it's not very graceful. You have to like grab it and pull, grab one cord and then pull the other to tighten it. And if the cords ever come undone, you just search on YouTube on how to tie it. And they need to be tight, because if not, then they just kind of clang around. All right, next part is how to hold them. So you are never playing castanets like this, right? You need to round your arms, and the wrists are going to be somewhat straight. So you're not going to be bent at all. They're going to be straight, and you're going to hold them in your palms like this, and then your finger is going to be on the little notch on that side. You're not holding it, but it's kind of resting on there. All right, so when you're making the sounds, there's various sounds, and it's great in when you're working with castanets that there is a sound vocabulary for the different techniques. So before we get to that, where you are going to tap is on the side. So it's not the center, it's on the side. And when you tap, you want to tap and let go. So you're not gonna tap and hold, tap and hold, you're not gonna do that. You want to tap and let go. And you'll see, so it's kind of like on the edges that I'm tapping. Okay, all right. So now we have them on. We have your laces on. We know that we're going to be tapping kind of on the side. In the next video, we're going to start off with our first technique.